Greetings, YouTube friends. Today's video is about the lunar Metonic cycle. The Metonic cycle is an astronomical phenomenon that harmonizes solar and lunar calendars. The origins of timekeeping are deeply rooted in observing the movements of the sun and the moon. These luminaries have been the foundation for our calendar systems. Solar calendars, like the Gregorian calendar, align the Earth's orbit with the sun, while lunar calendars rely on lunar phases. Finally, there are also lunisolar calendars that combine the elements of both the lunar and the solar calendars. This is where the Metonic cycle has been very useful in calendar keeping. An ancient Greek astronomer, Meton, first observed the lunar Metonic cycle around 432 BCE. The Metonic cycle of the moon is roughly 19 years in duration. Historically, the Metonic cycle has been used in various calendar systems, including the Hebrew and the Chinese calendars. So why is the Metonic cycle of the moon important? Well, there's a slight mismatch between the lunar months and the solar year. Here's where the Metonic cycle comes into play. Over the course of 19 years, the lunar phases realign with the solar year almost perfectly. What this means is if you were to mark the position of the moon in the sky on a specific date, 19 years later, on that same date, the moon will return to almost the exact same place in the sky. The Metonic cycle is essential for predicting lunar phases and eclipses, and it serves as the foundation for some of our most ancient calendar systems. But as a financial astrologer, I study the correlation between planetary movements and cycles within the financial markets. And what's really piqued my interest about the Metonic cycle of the moon is its patterns and cycles that I'm identifying that correlate to downturns in the financial markets. And that, my friends, is the topic of an upcoming video. So for now, for more astrology and market content, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give my video a like. I've also recently just launched my website where you can schedule personalized readings, margoamala.com. And you can check out my Patreon where I post a bi-weekly financial astrology newsletter and regular stock and crypto updates. Okay, friends, talk to you soon.